Hey guys, so we're out here at the Pioneer Saloon. Very historical, cool little town. I have a lot of interest in this town, so I thought I'd bring out some of the cars so these guys can check them out. Fits the theme for Fallout Vegas. If you've never seen it, check it out. It's a pretty cool little video game.
Video game enthusiasts are going to gather, this is Sony, at Southern Nevada's oldest bar. It's the Pioneer Saloon, 25 miles south of Las Vegas in Goodsprings.
Fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, the jewel of the desert.
But these cars jive with it very well. Thought I'd bring it out so people could do some photo ops with them. If you guys have never been out here, come check it out. It's an awesome place, and there will be lots more coming about this little town, Goodsprings, as we go. So we'll keep you in the loop. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Steve, these are a couple kids that camped with me over there.
Oh, here?
On the campsite, yeah.
Stay on the tents?
Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty nice. I mean, it was a little cold, but once you get in there and wrapped up in the blankets, it's like, man, we're roughing it.
Yeah, you were roughing it. So out here in Goodsprings today, great event at the Pioneer Saloon. What a cool bunch of people. Like, everybody's dressed up kind of like Burning Man. You know, I just thought I would incorporate it with some cars. I know the bar owner's really good. So we've got the D-Rod, we got the Iron Rod, we got Hee Haw, and we got the Peterbilt out here. It's been fun. Like, everybody seems to be so cool. The saloon's actually really cool. It's got like just such awesome history. The bar was built, I believe, in 1913. This town was developed probably in the 1890s, 1880s, somewhere around there. Believe it or not, there used to be a little ranch up here back in before the town was built. And then when the miners came in and actually turned it into a boom town, it boomed and was bigger than Vegas. Actually, Vegas was barely anything back then. I think it was just Fremont Street and First Street. But you know, now we're sitting here in the middle of this town that basically has like come and gone in a way, and I am very serious about purchasing a piece of property in this town and turning it into something super cool with lots of my old stuff, cars. I want to do all 1930s. I'm probably not going to get into it too much because this will probably turn into a whole series of YouTube videos at some point. There's buildings in here that no one's been in 50 years, so we're gonna dig through them a little bit at a time, go through and see what's in there. It's gonna be a great journey. It's probably gonna take a good solid year of YouTubing just the buildings and what's going on in here and the history, and there's so much I don't even want to tell you because it's so good. But if you guys are watching this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, because there is about a new turnover going to happen here real quick with Steve Darnell. And that's me coming out here and like doing something different for a while. I mean, of course, I'm always going to have my cars. I am going to build a shop out here big enough to build my cars. But I'm very excited about the history of this old town and the yellow pine mines that were out here and the old buildings that are laying everywhere. I mean, there's a stone building over there that was built in like 1880 sitting over there out of rock. Such cool history. You know, this is a quiet little town. The school out here is the oldest school in Clark County, which I think was built in the early 1900s. I want to say 1913, like about the same time the bar was. It's turning into be quite an attraction for people to come, especially with Fallout Vegas. And I'll tell you what, man, like, I'm not much of a video game guy because I've never played video games before, but like, the people that play the video games that are out here, they live it. Like, they come out here, they dress like the characters. They're really trying to feel like the people that is in the video game. And a lot of the people that were in the bar and some of the people around here are actually the people that are in the video game. So if you play it, the people that work at the bar and the people that live in the town, they're actually in the video. It's really cool. It just keeps it pretty, you know, home feeling, you know. But I love the history. I plan on really doing a lot here at some point. But I've had a great weekend, and now I'm gonna start loading this stuff up and get my butt home because I do have to work tomorrow. But real soon, I will be letting you know exactly what I'm doing out here, and we are gonna start a whole new chapter on YouTube of a really cool series that you guys should follow along. There's so much cool stuff I don't want to tell you about it. So like and subscribe, make sure you guys follow. We're about ready to dissect this town from the 1800s and have a blast. See you on the next one.